Hello everyone, welcome to this 4-box break of 2014 Black Gold Football, breaking today on the 9th of July. This was eBay break. These are the names and the teams. Alright, 17 of you guys. It is 10:32 p.m. Thursday, July 9th, Eastern Time. And, okay, that's it. Let's get started. First box. Yep, I'll be doing that at 11 o'clock, Luz. 5-box playbook. So let's do this black gold first. Good luck, everyone. All right, 2 packs. All right, here we go. Let's start off with a Paul Richardson, 177 out of 199 for Seahawks. And we got here a duel. Cecil Shorts and Marquise Lee for the Jags, 147 out of 149. Top got a little thread sticking out over there, you can see it. And we got nice Teddy Bridgewater, nice hit. Congratulations, Vikings. Autograph. 12 out of 25, light, nice, low numbered. Teddy Bridgewater. And we got a shield of Sam Bradford, 128 out of 149 for the Rams. Not a bad first pack. Let's go to second. This is a thick one. Let's see this. Alright, there you go. Alright, we'll start with the shield for Cecil Shorts, 109 out of 149 for the Jaguars. Zach Mettenberger, 80 out of 99. Titans. And Javadian Clowney quad. Texans, 21 out of 299. And the Trey Mason auto jumbo patch, 166 out of 199 for the Rams. And the final shield is the Chiefs, 45 out of 149 for Jamal Charles on the Chiefs. Box number 2. Let's start here. Cam Newton and Kelvin Benjamin, dual team symbols, 86 out of 99 for the Panthers. Jordan Matthews jumbo patch autograph, 190 out of 199 for the Eagles. Nice threads of Manziel, 93 out of 99 for the Browns. 93, 99. And a Terrell Suggs, 102 out of 199 for the Ravens. All right, Alan Hearns, 70 out of 199, Jaguars. And just nice jumbo patch of Odell, 10 out of 99 for the G-Men. Tom Savage autograph, jumbo patch, 6 out of 199. This guy is everywhere. Martavius Bryant base, 7 out of 25 gold, nice, well numbered. And a shield of 14 out of 25 silver NFL from Matt Stafford. 14 out of 25. All right, box number 3. Go with the dinner pack first. Oh, we got a nice hit coming up. If you guys saw that. Start off with Reggie Wayne, NFL Shield, 120 out of 149. And a 1 of 1 AJ McCarron. I mean, 1 of 1, but we don't know where this guy's going. But nice NFL logo. Reebok, 1 of 1 for the Bengals. I thought it was someone else. I saw it quick. But still a nice hit. And another guy that's everywhere, Taj Boyd, 3 out of 199. Autograph, jumbo patch. And the Bishop Sankey, 60 out of 99 base card. All right, Matt Forte base, 65 out of 199. Eric Dickerson, 50 out of 99. And we got a Jimmy Garoppolo, just three patch, 207 out of 299 for the Patriots. Jeff Janis, excuse me, and Jared Abradidis for the Pack, 45 out of 99 dual auto. See that there, focus, okay. And a nice Andrew Luck, 16 out of 25. Team logo, silver. These are some thick cards. Okay, last box. Not bad so far. Pretty decent. Let's see if we can make this better. Alright, start with this pack first. Alright, Demaryius Thomas, NFL Shield, 96 out of 149, gold shield. A Richard Sherman, 6 out of 25. Nice auto Javadian Clowney patch, 168 out of 199. Let's see what he does this year. And a Mike Evans for the Bucks, 200 out of 299. And the last card for this pack, J.J. Watt, 99 out of 100 base. Alright, guys, last pack. Tony Romo, NFL Shield, 59 out of 149. Nice patch on this one. Terrence West, 3 out of 49 autograph. Got a piece of the number there. Gold ink. Browns. Another pretty nice hit. Jeremy Hill autograph. And, excuse me, white patch, 61 out of 199. Stickers don't look good on these cards. They show too much. Nice threads here for Mr. Bridgewater. Another hit for Teddy Bridge, 95 out of 99. Another hit for the Vikes. And the final card, a base of Aaron Murray, 61 out of 199. Guys, that does it. Thank you very much for joining. I probably won't get this shipped out till Saturday, possibly Monday. I just don't have the time this week. I'll try to do it by Saturday. But if not, it'll be dropped off at the post office by Monday. And that's it, guys. Thanks for joining. If you're in my playbook break, that's coming up at 11 o'clock. Otherwise, check for more breaks on eBay.